Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone in Motion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. My friends, news just broke out last night and today we have the unboxing of the DJI FPV Drone. My friends, that's right, it got leaked and today we have the whole video for all of you to see. So my friends, it's going to be an extremely exciting video, so you don't want to miss out on this video. If you're new to the channel, my friends, welcome here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we will always be the first ones to bring you the latest drone news, no matter what. Okay, and also we're getting close to 5,000 subscribers. I will really appreciate it if you could help us get to our goal of 5,000. So I will truly appreciate that from all of you. So with that being said, my friends, let's go ahead and dive right into this video, because it's going to be a very exciting one. Just like always, my friends, right before the release of a new DJI product, this time it was not the exception. This time it got leaked. Once again, we got the whole thing leaked before it got released. And what am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about the DJI FPV drone right here. So thanks to Dominion Drones on YouTube, they uploaded a video of the full unboxing of the DJI FPV drone. So I mean, this video is going to be a very exciting one. So huge thanks to you guys for uploading this video ahead of time before the release of the drone. I mean, so the release of this drone should be imminent, and we're going to be coming out with a video in the upcoming days with the release. And also, if you guys want to see this drone flying, subscribe to this channel, because that video is going to be coming out tomorrow. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on that video, because it's going to be an extremely exciting one. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into the unboxing of the DJI FPV drone right here on screen. Okay guys, so here we have the DJI FPV combo unboxing. Okay, so here we have the first thing that we see is the box. Classical DJI style box, just as always, nice white style with the product being advertised in the front. There we have the front side of the box. There we have the DJI FPV drone, the controller, and the Fpv B2 Goggles. And this was an image that we got since December. So here's the part of the box from the bottom side, and there we have everything that is included with this box. Okay, so that's everything, and we have a nice little surprise for all of you at the end. The price of the FPV combo has not been confirmed yet 100%. Okay, we do have the confirmed prices for the accessories. The pricing for the FPV combo is rumored to be somewhere around $1,500, but it still has not been confirmed 100%. As soon as we have that price for the FPV combo confirmed, we're going to be having a video here in the channel, so don't worry. And also we are gonna be having the flight video, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on that video as soon as it's released. So it should be coming out very soon. Okay, so let's go ahead, my friends, and take a look at what is inside of the DJI FPV combo box. Okay, so the size of the box, I will compare it to what we find there on the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo box. So that's something just to put into comparison in size. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside of the DJI FPV combo. So there we have it. First thing that we have is the drone and the goggles. And this was something that we already saw since December, so this is something that's not new for all of us. So there we have the obstacle avoidance at the front, and we know that this will be enabled while even flying in FPV mode. Okay, and also there we have the micro SD slot for the drone right on top of the DJI logo, and there we have that gimbal cover. Okay, that's pretty nice, and we have that 2-axis gimbal with the drone, and in case you crash this drone, it will cost you 150 euros to replace, somewhere around $180. Okay, and it's going to be able to shoot up to 4K 60 frames per second. Okay, so the quality will not be an issue. There we have the battery of the drone. Okay, it's a pretty big battery and also not cheap, over $150. Okay, so if you want to know the exact price, make sure you check out our video. And then we have the downward obstacle avoidance sensor, as well as the infrared sensor for the drone. So something to keep in mind is that we do not have side, top, or backwards obstacle avoidance, my friends. Okay, something to keep in mind. Okay, now we do have the brand new FPV B2 goggles that were just released last week on the DJI store, and they're now sold out, and they have a price of $569. Okay, so they're not cheap, they're a little bit more expensive than the big one goggles, and we still don't know if the big one goggles will be compatible with the FPV drone. Me personally, I will not think that they will be compatible, but maybe DJI surprised and they gave us that compatibility, so we still don't know if they're going to be compatible. We're just gonna have to wait and see. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside of the FPV drone box. So there we have, first thing that we see is that nice controller that we saw, I think that since August we saw this controller leaked. Here we have it once again with that antenna that's flippable, so you can put it up and down so that it can be more portable. There we have the back part of the controller, and then we have our customizable buttons. So there we have all of our buttons, all of our presets, and all of the customizable buttons. I will say this is something very similar in style and color to what we find on the Mavic Air 2. So the color scheme is quite similar, and I really like it. I think it's a really nice color combo that they went for. Here we have our props that we get with this drone. So we get 2 sets of props, so in total 8 props, if I'm not mistaken, and these will be quick release props. I repeat, quick release. A lot of people were saying they were going to be screwing props. Well, that is not the case. They are quick release, and I really like that DJI stayed with that, okay, because I know that's something that a lot of people like. Now let's go ahead, and also we have a surprise at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned, because I know a lot of people is going to like it. So here we have our power bank to charge our batteries, okay. So there's our power bank, pretty similar in size and shape to what we find it on the original Mavic Air, okay. So I think it's a nice design, it's not too bad. Okay, so that will be used to charge our battery. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside of this box. So here we have our FPV B2 Goggles battery. So this is a battery that we get for the FPV goggles, and this will be attached onto the straps that goes around our head, okay. So that's what that is, my friends, an extra battery for the FPV B2 goggles. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside of this last and final box. So here are all of our left accessories. We have things such as prop guards, we have things such as surprise also there, and a lot of cables. So let's go ahead and open it up, and the first thing that we're going to find is the straps for the B2 goggles. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. So there we have it. Here, there's our strap, really nice and elastic material. So this will ensure that the goggles will not fall out from your head. So I can promise you that it looks like this will be a nice secure fit. So here's our surprise. Get ready, my friends. I think a lot of people is going to get excited about this. So here is a replaceable shell for the DJI FPV drone. What do you think about that? Nice lime green color. I absolutely love that DJI went for this once again, first introduced with the Tallow and now with the FPV drone. I mean, this is going to give us a nice personal look to our drone. So we get that translucent case and we get that lime green. Hopefully we get some more colors in the future. Hopefully, I don't know, things like red, yellow, blue, I don't know, some new colors. I will truly appreciate that. So I think that that's a great choice for DJI, and I really like that they did that. So that's one of the things that I like the most about these drones. I really like that surprise. I think that was very pleasant. So there's our manuals, just as what we find with every DJI drone. There are all of our manuals, and there are all of our cables. So these cables will be used to charge our goggles, drone, and controller, okay. So one of them is going to go from the power outlet onto the power bank to charge our drone, okay. So we get 3 different pair of cables. One of them is a USB-C kind of cable. So there's one of the cable that I was just talking about. That's going to be the one that goes from the power outlet onto the power bank to charge the battery, the drone's battery, okay. So there we have our drone, pretty small, okay. It doesn't look to be that chunky, not too big. I think it's a nice design. It looks kind of like a mini Inspire 2. I really like it. So there's our battery, which will not be cheap whatsoever, and we only get one battery included in the FPV combo. We do not know if there's going to be a fly more combo. At this point in time, we do not know, but that's what we get, one battery. There's a controller once again, and we have a USB-C type cable. Okay, so I like that DJI stayed the same, just as what we found it on the Mavic Air 2. There's our removable joysticks, just as normal with all DJI drones, first introduced with the original DJI Mavic Air back in 2018. Okay, so there's the controller with our removable joysticks. That's great because that means this controller is going to be quite portable. Also, we get that nice little hook in the middle of the controller, which is going to be used to attach a lanyard to the controller. So I think that's a nice neat touch that DJI decided to include. Okay, here we have the FPV B2 goggles. Okay, there we have our slot to charge our drone. It's a Type-C slot, and then we have our micro SD card slot. Okay, and there we have where in order to fly the drone, we need to attach the 4 antennas that need to go on each side of the goggles. We get 2 antennas on each side, so in total 4 antennas. Okay, so I really like the color scheme that DJI went for. Once again, I really like the color scheme of the DJI goggles. I mean, the B1 and the B2 are identical in color. The B2s are just much better in performance, less latency, and I mean the performance is just really that much better. Okay, so I really like the color scheme, that matte black with gray. I think it looks outstanding. It looks kind of like a militarish, I don't know, kind of like fighter jet kind of look. I really like the vibe that it gives. I really like it. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the straps. Okay, so there we have 3 different mounting points. Okay, one in the middle, one in the left, and one in the right. Okay, so these goggles will not fall from your head, because you don't want to be dropping these goggles in the concrete, because that will not be a cheap fix. So they better be nice and secure on your head. So 3 different mounting points. So those are the there FPV we had it, my friends. So that was the unboxing of the DJI FPV drone. So it's a really nice drone. I really liked it, and I think that's going to be wrapping up today's video. So thank you all for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on tomorrow's video, because we are going to be having the premiere of the DJI FPV drone in flight and sharing with you my first impression. So with that being said, I think that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion, signing out.